What is KYC? KYC stands for Know Your Customer. It's Pi Network's way to verify that you are a real person, not a bot, and to make sure the network stays secure and trustworthy. Here's how to pass it. Step 1. Open your Pi Network app and check if you have received a KYC invitation. Step 2. Click on the KYC button and start the verification process. Step 3. Submit your government-issued ID, like your passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Step 4. Make sure your name and photo are clearly visible and match your Pi Network account information. Step 5. Follow the face verification step. It's quick, just align your face in the frame. Step 6. Submit and wait for approval. It usually takes a few hours to a few days, depending on demand. And that's it. Once you pass KYC, you'll be able to transfer and use your Pi when the mainnet fully opens. Please like, subscribe, share my channel, and if any question comments, please. Goodbye.